Hello students, now we will start with question number 4 of the same lesson. Complete the sentences with the plural forms of the nouns given in the box below. Now here we are given few sentences. We have to complete these sentences by choosing the words from the box given. We'll start with A. A cloud of smoke and ash erupted from the volcanoes. Now here we are given the singular form. We have to convert it into plural and then we have to write. So volcano will change into volcanoes. We will add it es. Next, Sheetal saw 7 mice scamper by. Now we are given here mouse. We will change mouse into mice and then we will fill this blank. Number C. The media house has announced the release of 3 web series in the upcoming months. Now, here we will use series. Series does not have the plural form. So we will write it as it is. And then in the next upcoming months, we will change month into months. Next, D. The blank stole all the silver blank they found in the house. The thieves. So we will change thief into thieves and then we'll write it here. Silver dishes. We will change dish into dishes and we will write here. So students, in this way you have to convert these words given in the box into the plural form and then you have to fill the blanks. So students, from E to G is homework. Now we will start question number 5, that is, rewrite the sentences after changing the forms of the nouns, singular to plural and plural to singular. Make other necessary changes. One has been done for you. Now, so students, what we have to do in this? So students, in this exercise, we are given the sentences. In these sentences, you have to change the singular nouns to the plurals and plural to singulars. And you have to make all the necessary changes. If we are changing the form of singular to plural or plural to singular, we have to make the other changes also. And this exercise you have to rewrite all these sentences in the notebook as you are not given the space here. So let us start with A. My friend played the piano. My friend is a noun. We will change friend into friends. Then we'll change piano into pianos. So in this way we have to make the changes. Now B. The lady was dressed in her best gown. Lady. Lady we will change into ladies. If we are changing this subject lady into ladies, then was will change to were. Then in her. Her will change to their. As we have changed lady into ladies, then her will change to their. And gown will change to gowns. Next, C. The singer sang a melodious song. So singer will change to singers and song will change to songs. Next, D. The hoof of the horse had a nail in it. So hoof will change to hoofs, horse will change to horses and nail will change to nails. Now referring all these, we will change it into them. So students, in this way you have to change all these singular nouns into the plurals and plurals into the singular, and then you have to rewrite entire sentence in your notebook like this. As in number 1, you are given first sentence written. In the same way you have to rewrite all the sentences in the notebook. So now from E to H is homework. You have to complete these sentences in homework. Now we will start with the last exercise of this lesson, that is question number 6. Identify the errors and rewrite the following sentences correctly. Here we are given few sentences. In these sentences, there are errors. We have to identify the error, then we have to correct it, and then we have to write it. Now, you have to write. So, students, after rectifying the error and after correcting it, you have to write this exercise in notebook. The dentist pulled out the aching tooths. Now, tooth is a plural form. We do not need to add s to it. So, it will be tooth. So, you have to rewrite the sentence in your notebook like the dentist pulled out the aching tooth. B. He refused to give anything to his stepdaughter. It will never be stepdaughter. He refused to give anything to his stepdaughter. We will change stepdaughter to stepdaughter. C. I deeply admire the poetries of John Keats. It will not be poetries, it will be poetry. So we will change poetries into poetry. Understood? D. Amisha wants to complete her educations before starting her own businesses. So here educations, the education doesn't has any plural form. So what we will do, we will remove the s, we will change this word into the education, and here businesses. So we will change this word to business. We will correct both these and we will rewrite all these sentences in the notebook. So students, in the same way you have to complete from E to I in homework and you have to rewrite all these sentences in the notebook. Don't forget to write all these in your notebook.